Amaranth or terere is a leafy green vegetable that is super versatile because you can pair with other leafy green veggies like spinach, kunde, or even managu. Terere has lots of vitamin A, C, and K, and also it's rich in iron, which means that this veggie is just nutritious. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you a very easy terere recipe, which is going to be easy peasy with the simplest of ingredients. It's the rainy season, so the spinach and terere are quite muddy, so you're going to wash several times so that you can get rid of all the little particles of soil in between the leaves. Mine are ready to chop up, so I'm going to place my terere aside. I've already prepped up some tomatoes. We have onions. Then I'm going to pick a bowl, grab a handful of the terere, then I'm going to use a sharp knife and chop. The sharp knife is going to make it very easy for you to chop your vegetables without slicing your fingers. A blunt knife is the most dangerous tool ever because you're using so much force to cut your vegetables. So it's very easy for you to cut yourself. So always make sure that you sharpen your knife before using. You're going to be chopping your vegetables into small sizes. And once I'm done, I'm going to transfer into my bowl. Pick the next round and repeat until I'm done chopping up my terere and spinach. Once done chopping up your terere, you're going to place a pot over medium-high flame and add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. And this is going to depend on the amount of terere that you're going to be cooking. So if you're going to be doubling up the terere, you're going to add in some more cooking oil. Because I've already prepped up my onions and tomatoes, I'm going to get straight into cooking. I'm yet to chop up my spinach. Once the cooking oil is ready, you're going to add in a medium-sized onion. Then you're going to saute for around a minute or until the onions get a lovely golden brown color. And this is going to add in so much flavor into the dish. Terere is going to take a little bit of time to cook. That's the reason I've not mixed with spinach, because spinach cooks very fast. At this point, my onions are getting that lovely golden brown color. So next, I'm going to add in three large tomatoes. To add in some more flavor, I'm going to be adding in 2 beef seasoning cubes, which are going to add in a nice leafy taste to the terere. You can also add in some salt if you can't get some, but I would highly recommend trying adding some beef seasoning cubes to your terere, and it's going to work magic. If you have some vegetable seasoning cubes, you can add that as well. Cook your tomatoes for around 1 to 2 minutes. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a splash of water, which is going to help the tomatoes to cook down. I'm going to add in some more salt to fully season my terere. Stir in the salt. And at this point, my tomatoes are ready, so I'm going to be adding in my terere into the pot. Use your spatula and stir in the terere so that the tomatoes don't burn. And in a matter of 10 seconds, your terere is going to start wilting down and releasing water. So I'm going to cover while I chop up my spinach. The cooking time for your terere is going to be around 5 to 6 minutes. So you prep up your spinach. After 2 minutes, I'm going to check on my terere. Stir once more. At this point, I'm going to check the seasoning. I need some more salt. And I'm going to be adding my spinach at this point. Mix, mix, mix using a spatula. And within seconds, your spinach is also going to wilt down, combine together with the terere and absorb in the nice beef flavor from the seasoning cube, the tomatoes, the onions. So everything is going to be perfect. Make sure to add in enough cooking oil so that your terere can be delicious. When your terere is ready, this is how it's going to be looking. Once my terere is ready, I'm going to serve on a platter. Wow. The terere is well seasoned, very tender. The tomatoes and onions add in a very nice flavor together with the beef seasoning cubes. And this will pair perfectly over some soft ugali. Let me tell you, there's no need for any protein because the terere is perfect as